Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Musadiq, and today we're going to talk about how to become a medical laboratory scientist in New Zealand and how to register with the Medical Science Council of New Zealand. And guess what? You don't need to take a medical exam to become a medical laboratory scientist in New Zealand. So we're going to talk about eligibility process and fees and how to get a sponsor and job application. So talk about the requirements and eligibility. So for eligibility, you must have a 4-year bachelor degree in medical laboratory sciences, and you must have an English proficiency test of 7 band in IELTS, and if it's OET, occupational English test, so you need a B grade. And you must have a 2-year of post-graduation clinical experience in a relevant field. And the most important requirement is the completion of certificate called Te Tiriti of Waitangi course. So what is actually Te Tiriti of Waitangi course? It is actually a cultural course responsive by its free care treatment and respect the culture and cultural values. So now we're going to talk about the process step by step, that how you can apply for the registration for the Medical Science Council of New Zealand. So first of all, you will need the completion of a Waitangi certificate. This is a cultural certificate. So for that certificate, you have to apply online through Maori online official websites. When you go to on that website, you have to select the Waitangi certificate. And once this is the online course like certification, you have to complete online models to complete that certificate. And you have to pay 60 New Zealand dollar fees for that. So once you get that certificate, so you have to gather all your documents, your bachelor degree, your transcript, your English proficiency test, your clinical experience, your Waitangi certificates, and your CV, and all educational related documents. And most importantly, if you are South Asian, you must provide the syllabus of your 4-year degree, like what you study and what you have not, so they can evaluate your credentials and credit hours, so actually it matches the New Zealand criteria or not. So once you have all complete these documents, so you have to go to the Medical Science Council of New Zealand official website, and you have to create your profile there and submit online application, and you have to pay 860 New Zealand dollar fees. So generally the application process take 10 to 12 weeks to assess for the assessment. So once the council evaluate your all documents and all the academic related stuff, and they will conclude the results. If you have a bachelor degree in English proficiency proof, so they don't require the exam. But in some cases, if there are your credit hours or some courses in your syllabus are missing, so probably they will ask you for the exam. But the exam is not like the American Society of Clinical Pathology one, or not like the Australia exam. It's very simple process that you can take it from your home. So if they ask you to take the exam, so the exam usually will be like a online portal exam that you can take it from your home. For an online exam, there is a career web online platform which provide online monitoring system that you can take the exam from your home, so they can monitor you through the web on your computer. So once you complete that online exam, you are eligible to apply for the job applications. But there is exemptions for those applicants who have already international medical laboratory licenses, like if someone is working already in the US or any that country is English speaking. So in that case, you can exempt from the English test too. So for that, you have to provide 2 references from your work official people, and those 2 people will provide the proofs to the council, to the Medical Science Council of New Zealand, that you can work effectively and communicate effectively in English speaking environment. So if that approved by the council, you don't need to take the English exam either. So this exemption is only for those who has already ACP or AIMS license and working abroad. So they have international experiences, and they're already working in English speaking countries, and they have international experiences. So based on that, they don't need to take any medical exam and nor any English exam. This is the exemption, but they have to select the pathway 3 when they are applying for the application. So once you get eligible and your application is approved and you get registered by Medical Science Council of New Zealand, so you are now eligible that you can apply for the job applications for New Zealand. So now we're going to talk about how to get the sponsor and how you can get a offer letter from the New Zealand hospitals. So for that you can apply New Zealand government hospitals or private diagnostic laboratories or research centers, and there is a lot of regional blood centers that they have it. You can apply that too. So for online job application, the most important website for the New Zealand job is Health New Zealand Career. This is the most important job application for the MLS. Most of the jobs from the Auckland and Christian Church are usually advertised on that website. You can also find the job through New Zealand Government Jobs Portal. You can apply there to find the MLS vacancies that recently announced. And there are two more online job portals, Seek New Zealand and Trade Me Jobs of New Zealand. These are the more two important and broad online application form that you can submit your application and apply for the jobs. And also you can shortlist the Auckland or Christian Church or Waitangi states different hospitals, and you can apply on their websites through Career. And once you get a sponsor and offer letter, based on that you can apply for the work visa that usually all process is done by the hospitals. So now here is very important point. Once you get your offer letter or job letter from your sponsor and you get to the New Zealand, so you can directly work in New Zealand hospitals. You have to go through one more process called APC, Annual Practising Certificate. Annual Practising Certificate is actually a supervision or probation period for you, that the hospital hire you. You have to work there for 3 to 6 months, maximum 24 months, or minimum is 3 months. So once you work there for 3 months under certain supervisions, so your supervisor submit your probation period complete report to the Medical Science Council of New Zealand. And once they approve that you completed APC, so they will provide you the final license of medical laboratory scientist in New Zealand, and then you can work for no matter how long you want. So this all was about how to become a medical laboratory scientist in New Zealand and how to get certified by Medical Council of New Zealand. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to know about how to proceed for Australia and UK and USA, you can also watch out those videos on my channel and subscribe for more. Thank you.